This is the Daily Then for June 27th, 1950. 2 days after the Korean War begins, President Truman orders U.S. troops in. It's the first military action under the UN flag. No congressional vote, just a message. America will lead the fight against communism. 1985. Route 66 is officially removed from the U.S. highway system. Once the main street of America, it's replaced by faster interstates. But its legend grows. Neon, nostalgia, and songs about getting your kicks. 1991. Slovenia and Croatia declare independence from Yugoslavia. Europe redraws its borders, but violence follows. Ethnic conflict erupts, and the world watches, unsure.
And born today, Helen Keller, who changed how we see disability. Tobey Maguire, the original Spider-Man. Khloé Kardashian, reality TV royalty.
History's cooler than you think. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. Did not see that coming.